sections, today we can take the CS of the anther so that we can study the internal structure of the anther. Anther is the main reproductive part of the flower. And when we take the cross section of the anther, we can see 4 lobes in the anther, and inside the lobes we can see the pollen sac. Inside the pollen sac we could see the pollen grain. So in order to take the section of the anther, we need flower bud. So this is the flower bud. It is an Ixola flower bud. So, and see, when you observe this open flower, anther is locating here in this joining region. That is, this is the corolla tube, and the tip of the corolla tube we can see the petal. So the anther is so small, we are not able to hold in hand and take the section. That is why we are using flower bud for taking the section of the anther. So take one flower bud from the bunch of buds and hold this flower bud in such a way that its tip is in between thumb and index finger. Then with the help of moisten the blade, and with the help of the blade remove this joining point of the flower bud. So if you remove it, then take transverse section from outside towards outside. When we take the section, and the section may stick on this blade. So take a glass slide, add few drops of water. With the help of the blade, transfer the section from the slide towards to the glass slide. So I have transferred the section from the glass blade to the glass slide containing water. Then observe the sections. Then we can see these yellow colored minute sections float in water. Transfer this section to a glass slide containing glycerin. So take another glass slide, add 1 drop of glycerin on the center of the glass slide. With the help of the brush, carefully collect the minute anther section from the glass slide and transfer to the glycerin. See, whenever we are cutting using flower bud, see, number of sections of the anther we will get it. That is why we are using this flower bud. Then take a glass slide, cover slip. With the help of the needle, cover slip is placed over the section containing glycerin. So take care, prevent the entry of the air bubble. Next we can place this glass slide on the microscope. For that, by means of the quartz screw, raise up the body tube, open this diaphragm, rotate the nose lobe for a low power objective, Then tilt the mirror to focus light. Then take the glass slide, place it on the stage, fix in position by means of the clip. Then rotate the quartz screw to focus the object. For sharp focusing, rotate the fine screw. See, when we observe this section, we could see a tetragonal structure with a 4-layered covering. Outer is epidermis, that is single layer, followed by a single layer of endothelium. Its wall is thickened by callus thickened. Then internal to these 2-3 layers of parenchyma cell constitute the middle layers. And epidermis, endothelium, middle layer constitute the function, protection and help in dehiscence. And innermost layer is the tapetum, that is nourishing the developing pollen grain. Inside this lobe, we can see the pollen sac, which contains pollen grains of various stages.